Hi, my name is Siddhant Karnik and you're watching me on Filmy Beat. Big Boss मैं नहीं करना चाहूँगा.
अच्छा.
Offer भी आए हैं, but I just not. I'd like to explore more villain roles.
Yeah.
I love playing villain.
Yeah,
Yes, 50 years, हाँ. Wow. मैंने तो तब सोचा ही नहीं. हमें अपने ये वहम हम अपने ही मन में जहन में बनाते रहते हैं और फिर वो दूर रहते हैं. उन्होंने कभी कुछ किया नहीं, बोला नहीं.
True.
हम लोग.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू फिल्मी बीट. दिस इज मुर्तजा इकबाल और आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसे एक्टर है जिनको मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि जब वो अर्जुन खन्ना बन के हमारी स्क्रीन्स पे आए तो वो नेशनल क्रश बन गए थे और 20 साल के इनके करियर में अब वो नेशनल जीजू कहलाते हैं. Well, I'm talking about none other than Siddhant, who is here with us today. Hi Siddhant, welcome to Filmy Beat.
Thank you, Murtuza.
So being stayed away from reality shows,
Yes.
जो बड़े तीन है जिसको हम बोलते हैं झलक दिखला जा, खतरों के खिलाड़ी एंड बिग बॉस, तीनों से आप दूर रहे हो, बट आया है कभी अप्रोच किया गया था आपके लिए?
तीनों से आए हैं और झलक दिखला जा I've been very keen on but
Yeah.
it's not worked out
Okay.
so far. खतरों के खिलाड़ी इस साल में ही एक ऑफर आया था but
अच्छा.
again it didn't work out, so I think there's a time and place for everything. It's not a conscious decision. Big Boss मैं नहीं करना चाहूँगा.
अच्छा.
ऑफर भी आए हैं but I just not. I don't subscribe to that kind of storytelling.
Correct. So, of course, now as an actor, what kind of roles do you prefer to? Okay, I really want to explore this kind of a genre, this kind of a role I would really like to do.
All kinds. ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं है. मैं I'd like to explore more villain roles.
Yeah.
I love playing villain.
Yeah, you did
roles.
amazing in Animal. I have to tell you this. I'm on camera right now, so I thought मैं बोली तो कि you were amazing in Animal.
Thank you so much.
We started hating you. कैसा
Yes.
जीजा है?
Yes. ऐसे ही तो that's the point, no? To make you feel strongly.
Yeah, like I went and told my sister also if Jija is something like this, I'll also kill him.
Wow. Okay then.
चलो, मैंने पहली बार किसी को डराया किसी इंटरव्यू में.
Thanks, sir. उम्मीद यही है कि do things which make you really feel. If I'm playing a villain, I want to make you feel like kill the bugger. If I play a good guy, it's like, I have to take it to that level. Otherwise, there's no fun.
Correct. Of course, if I talk about the project, कोई है project जिसके साथ आपने काम कर लिया already, हम जल्दी आपको देखेंगे, or you have signed on something?
फिलहाल फिल्म्स में तो कुछ नहीं है.
Okay.
But I'm very excited क्योंकि आज सुबह ही मैं रिहर्सल से आ रहा हूँ. मैं थिएटर कर रहा हूँ.
Oh, nice.
Theatre project I'm doing. That's basically we're doing Shakespeare's King Lear.
Okay.
And Nasiruddin Shah Saab is playing King Lear.
Oh, wow.
And we've got a massive cast of Kalki Koichin, Jim Sarb, Neil Bhopalam, Arunoday Singh.
Oh, wow.
Like
What
the
an
best
amazing
of the
star
theatre.
cast.
Exactly, and then to work on Shakespeare with this, Rehan Engineer is a fantastic, Ira Dubey. I mean, the list just goes on. So to work with this cast is very exciting. आज सुबह ही मैं आज जैसे हम यहाँ पर बैठे हैं, नसीर साहब यहाँ पर बैठे
अरे
थे,
वाह.
मैं यहाँ नील भूपालम यहाँ पे और हम लोग रीडिंग कर रहे थे और I said these are moments you cherish.
Yeah.
These are those
Nasir
times when I
sir has a very
remember.
different aura. मतलब मैं तो I think just last week I was in Prithvi Cafe and he was also there. मुझे तो डर लग रहा था कि मैं जाके फोटो भी मांगू. मैं गया ही नहीं. मैं बोला मैं नहीं जा रहा.
थोड़ा खास करके जब वो बात करते हैं.
हाँ, he has this aura, yeah.
But I think it's about these auras also. We create these auras for them.
Correct.
They're very cool.
Yeah.
हमें अपने ये वहम हम अपने ही मन में जहन में बनाते रहते हैं और फिर वो दूर रहते हैं. उन्होंने कभी कुछ किया नहीं, बोला नहीं.
True.
हम लोग तो I think next time just go ask.
I'll do that.
Maximum what he'll shout at you.
Prithvi Cafe में नसीरुद्दीन शाह shouting at me, मैं viral हो जाऊंगा.
No, he's wonderful.
Correct.
He's absolutely wonderful.
So Siddhant, it was lovely chatting with you. Thank you for coming to our office, and I hope you enjoyed this interview.
I did. It got over so soon. I was just getting started.
Achha, is it? But I think I've wrapped up everything. And as I said कि अब तो 20 years में इतनी बात हुई है, 50 years में तो हम बड़ा celebration रखोगे, आप हम सबको भी बुलाओगे.
जी, absolutely. Yes, 50 years, हाँ. Wow. मैंने तो तब सोचा ही नहीं. ये मैं एक ट्रैक से आया हूँ अभी. और almost 100 meters less than Everest base camp और मुझे पता भी नहीं था इतना लंबा ऊंचा. And I was out of breath all the time. और मंजिल इतना दूर था and it got overwhelming, and then उसका एक गाइड ने मुझे सिखाया कि just look down one step at a time. और ऐसे ही करके I reached in a place where I didn't think I would be able to reach. तो ये 50 years, I can't even imagine the 50 years. I can imagine the next 50 months.
Right.
So small steps at a time, and hopefully if I'm still alive, 50 years we'll be celebrating, you and I, Murtuza.
Sure.
With hearing aids and whatnot.
Oh God, you just started making me feel that after 50 years I will be old. So thank you so much for being with
You're
us,
most
Siddhant. I hope you had a great time, and because we had a great time having you.
Thank you so much. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
having me, Filmy Beat.